Okay, then I have start up the car and take it for a test drive to see if everything I have done with the brakes, drive shaft and so on is work as it should, and so far so good. Wow, look at the steering wheel. Straight 1 o'clock, but never mind, I have to adjust that proper. But there's no shaking or... Let's see the brakes. The disc is brand new, and there's some coach on it. So I think I have to get out some of that first before I get some proper brakes. Let's see. I have only 2 hands, so I have to change gear. There we go. And the temperature is working perfect after I changed the sensor. This also took so long time before it was on 9 o'clock. It's more like 8:45, but that is because I have changed the instrument, the panel, and then I have to take out the needles, and then when you put the needles back, you know, it's not so easy to get it 100%. So I know that's good. So what do I do behind that? Let's change gear again. Oh, and then I go over here. That was wrong gear. Let me try again. Okay, that's for now.